All right, let us continue with our compound interest problems. And instead of, let's say, I'm going to say $250, all right? I'm not going to write too much, but let's say I invested $250 in a stock. So let's say in a stock, okay? With a, let's see here, I want to do something that's going to make a lot of sense for you guys, okay? Let's stick with 48% like the previous video. So we're going to invest $250 in a stock with the 40% interest rate, compounded monthly every year. Okay? So $250 in a stock with a 48% interest rate compounded monthly every year. So first thing we have to try to decipher is, what does it mean by compounded monthly? Well, ask yourself, how many months are in a year? Well, there's 12 months in 1 year, right? So since there's 12 months in 1 year, that means we're going to take that 1 year and break it up into sections. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know this is kind of lengthy. We're just going to go through this very quickly. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So here we are every month, because there's only 12 months in a year. That's why we go up to 12. Every month, we're going to have this interest rate apply, but we're going to take our 48% a month and we're going to break it up evenly to every single month, right? We have to break it up evenly. So we're not going to do 48 at every month, but we're taking the 48%, breaking it up into 12 sections evenly. So let's do 48 divided by 12. Let's open my calculator here. We'll just go ahead and do 48 divided by 12. I should be able to know how to do this in my brain, but I somehow can't right now because I probably just ate pho. And we get 4. So that means 4%. That means every month we're going to tack on a 4% interest rate to our stock, which is great. It means that we're going to increase our stock by 4% every month, and then that new balance, when it reaches the second month, is again 4%, and so forth and so forth and so forth. Okay, looks like a 9, but that's a 4. Okay, here we go. So 4% every single month. So this is our new percentage rate. So now we begin. We want to find our constant multiplier. We're keeping 100% of our original 250 because it's increasing, plus the 4% that's going to occur every month. So that's 104. Divide that by 100 to turn it to a decimal. We get 1.04. This is my new constant multiplier. So now I'm going to get y equals 250. That's my starting balance, times 1.04 raised to the, well, how many times is this 4% going to be applied every year? Well, it's going to be hit on this compound 12 times. So we have to put the 12 and then t. And this would be my equation right here. And we are done. That's all we had to do. All right. I think the hardest part is just kind of getting our new percent multiplier. All right, so let's set up another problem. Let's say $251, okay, compounded. We'll say it's increasing, compounded daily every year. And let's write an equation for this. Well, compounded daily, we'll ask yourself, how many days are in a year? Well, let's not get too crazy with, that month that doesn't have a year, the leap year or whatever, etc., and you lose a month. I don't know, whatever that is. But let's just say we have consistently 365, right? 365 days in a year. So that means compounded daily every year. Oh, I forgot the most important part. At a, let's say, 12% rate. So that means we're going to take every day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way until we get to 365. So we're going to take our 12% and we're going to break it up evenly every single day, because there's 365 days in a year, and every day the compound is going to be applied. So we divide this by 365. So let's do 12 divided by 365. 12 divided by 365. Oops, I forgot the 3. 365, and we get 0.028%. 0.02, what was it? 0.0328%. That means this percentage is going to be applied every single time evenly 365 days. Well, now that we got our percentage, we just continue on. We're going to keep 100% of my original balance plus 0.0328. Okay, and we're going to get 100.0328%. Divide by 100 to turn this to a decimal. And if you're just feeling unsure of where it's gonna go at, we'll just go ahead and do it here. So let's go ahead and do 100. I'm just basically doing the work here, plus we'll do second answer. That basically plus the 0.0238. We get a 100.0328, and then we divide that by 100. And we get 1.000. Okay, so that tells me it's going to be 1.000328. This is my new constant multiplier. So I'm going to get y equals 251, which was my starting balance, and then the 1.000328, my new constant multiplier. Okay, but how many times is it going to be multiplied? How many sections did we have that this percentage is going to occur? Well, remember, it was 365 sections, so that's why we need the 365 up here multiplied with t representing time years, and this would be my equation. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you learned something today. Go and tell your friends about it.